Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9i, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just here you'll see the silent mode. Click here, as can you see it, now just get activated the ringing mode, and just to turn off silent or turn on the silent mode, you should switch the ring mode to the silent mode by this way. And as can you see there, all of the ringtones and notifications, they are muted. That means that, and here we got the icon with the bell, so this means that the silent mode is activated. And if you want to just turn off the silent mode and to turn on the ring mode, switch again here the silent mode to the ringing one. And as can you see, the notifications and ringtones, they are activated. And also you got the second way how we can do that. Just you should swipe this white dot of the ringtone, so you should mute the ringtone, and yeah, you can see that the silent mode is activated automatically when you just swipe this dot to the left side, and you will turn on the silent mode when you will swipe this white dot to the right side. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.